was trying to go gain them dollars. My nigga didn't grow up with a father, and that's why he sang that child.
What's up, guys? Welcome back, YouTube. We here with another vocal preset today for y'all guys. We got Rod Wave, my guy, Rod Wave. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna play y'all a little clip of what it sound like, and I'm gonna be right back.
I missed your call, I was on a jet. I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next. So scared to fail, I'm calculating my every step. Stay room, street runner, gotta stop running sometime. I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired. Going.
Okay, so now that y'all got a gist of it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, or whatever. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram if you need anything, any work done. You feel me? So let's get straight into the vocal preset. First thing we got we got the Clarity VX at 85. Then we got the Avalon right here. Let's see. We got the preamp. We got it on like 25. We got this on 80 down here on the high pass frequency. Kept this on line mode, high gain on, filter in. And then we got the attack on the second bar. We got the release right in the middle. And then we got the compression right on 3. Threshold right between 10 and 5. And so on the bass, we just turn it up a little bit. Probably try to keep it around 1. And then on the low mids, we put it on 2. And on the high mids, we put it on 3. Now the treble, we knocked it up a couple of notches. We put it on 3 real quick. We put the output on 2 so we can really hear the vocal, you feel me? And then the frequencies, we put it on 150. Because 150 is like bringing that lowness in. Like if you want your vocal more smooth, turn to 150, turn the bass up a little bit more. But Rod Wave kind of got like a mid-range voice, you know, mid-frequency voice. So then we hopped on to the next knob. We put it on 300, and we put the high mids on 2K range, and then we got the treble on the 10K range. So let's go ahead and hop into the next plugin. We got the I call it the 76 compressor, but we did the blackface because Rod Wave kind of got like a R&B type of vocal. I know he's a rapper and everything, but the R&B type of vocal is more smooth, so we want to use the black compressor. Now you can use the 76 by Waves and do the exact same settings. We put this kind of real close by 24. We put this in the middle between 18 and 12. We turn the mix knob just up just a little bit. You can see, if I don't know, you might have to zoom in on the video with your hands real quick, or on your computer just click up top, zoom in. But this one is we put the mix right there, like right where the dots like facing to the top right corner. And after that, let's get on. We got the attack on 3 and we got the release on 5. We put the ratio on 4. Boom, call it a day. Next compressor, we got 2 compressors on stacks. So we got the input on 7, we got the attack on 5, we got the release on 4, and we got the output around like the 6 range. We put a little slight by it. Like I said, if you don't got this compressor, you can use which one could you use? You honestly don't have to have this. I just want it more smoother, and I know the Distressor makes the vocal a little bit more smoother. So we put the mix around like 60-80K, 6% range, 60 to 80% range, my bad. And then we got the ratio on 4:1. We got the detector on HP, and we just clicked this until it got to Distressor 2. After that, we're going to hop into CLA-2A, excuse me. And then we got the gain on 30, and we got the peak reduction on 50. We put the analog on 50 hertz to give it that analog feel on his vocal. Then we hopped up on Sooth. So on Sooth, we just made these kind of requirements. You can pause the video real quick, copy these on the left. If you don't have Sooth, you can use Silk Vocal by Waves. But I'll show y'all the bands real quick. Here's these bands. And you should be able to do these exact bands in Silk Vocal. You probably won't be able to do all this. Well, you kind of will. You gotta go to the advanced settings. So I'm gonna click through these, just pause the video and copy them real quick, just to get that Rod Wave type of touch. So after that Sooth is up, we got done with the Sooth. Then we gonna hop in the de-esser real quick. We put that on negative 34.0 and the frequency at 5185. Adjust the threshold yourself. Like, you see how this says 8? That's not good. But I need my vocal just a little bit more squashed. You want to have that at -6. If it's over -6, you're doing too much de-essing. So sometimes it's okay to do too much de-essing if you're looking for that exact sound, but I don't suggest it for this one and this vocal, my vocal, and for this raw wave preset. I decided to do more de-essing. So then we got the so as we hop in on the pull tech, the bandwidth, my brother, we're gonna put that on 4. Then after that, we got the high frequency. We make sure we got that on 12. Just to stay clear, we want to make sure we got that on 12. So we move on to the next plugin. We got fresh air. We got the high air on 29, and we got the mid air on 21. And then after that, we're gonna hop in this nice little tape. All you gotta do is pause the video and copy how all these look. Then we're gonna hop into all vocals. After we hop into all vocals, we got the NS1 at 23. And then you copy these settings real quick. And make sure you keep analog on. Then we got the RVox. We put the gain on negative 4.0. Then we put the, you can see it. It's not hard to see. Then just pause the video and copy this as well real quick. Then we got the S1 imager to spread out his vocals, because Rod Wave, he need his vocals spread out for real, you feel me? And then we got the trim, and we just turning down the vocal instead of using the main fader. And that's basically about it on the all vocal standpoint of things. Okay, so after the all vocals, let's head into the reverb and the effects real quick. So right now, these are just my settings. We got the parallel compression, we got the reverb. We don't even use the reverb throw unless like we actually making a full-on song delay. Then we got the delay throw, then we got the chorus, then we got the duo that I put right here. I'm pretty sure in the ad-libs. Let me see. So then we got the duo vocal that I put right in the ad-libs. It should be right here on this scene. And then so we got that all done, but let me just show you the reverb and the delay, and that's about it. So we got the reverb right here. We're using Valhalla. You can transfer this into Space Rider. I love Space Rider reverb from Waves. That's about it. Then we got the S1 imager, and then the Echo Boy, we put that on the delay. And you can use H delay if you want to, but I like Echo Boy, how it sounds. They had it on discount, so I went ahead and copped it. And then we put like a EQ band on that. And after that, we did the R compressor to squash the delays behind the vocal, you feel me? And then we got the S1 imager as well. And then we just put a tad reverb send on it. There we go, just like that. And that's basically how we got the raw wave preset. All these other effects, you just don't have to buy the template so you can see what it sounds like. And so you can get that full on sound, you feel me? If you're trying to like really buy one, you just hit me up on Instagram and just go on my link in my YouTube bio, and that's really about it. Don't forget to comment down below who I should do next. I already got a couple comments from my last videos that I still got to do, but go ahead and comment down below who you think I should do next, and I hope y'all guys have a blessed day. See y'all guys later.
Blame you. She said I love you, don't trust you, can't change you. I just hope we don't end how they do, crash and burn on the shade room. Street runner, gotta stop running sometime. I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired.